Good morning to all. Today we will discuss electrical insulators. What is an insulator? It is a material which do not allow the passage of electric current through them. As we know that overhead line conductors are bare, means they don't have any covering of insulating material. So they are secured to supporting structures via insulators. Insulators are mounted on cross arms and line conductors are attached to the insulator to provide proper insulation and clearance between the conductor and the metallic structure, that is tower. Classification of insulators. We classify insulators on two bases. First one is the type of material, means the material used for their manufacturing. Porcelain. So it is the most common material used for the manufacturing of insulators. They are mechanically stronger than glass. They are less affected by temperature variations. The one limitation is that the fault cannot be detected easily as they are not transparent like glass. Second is glass. Glass is having high dielectric strength as compared to porcelain, but major disadvantage of this material is that moisture is more readily condenses on its surface. Due to this, there is the accumulation of dust particles on its surface, which results in the conducting path from the conducting material to the tower. As a result of this, the line get trips under earth faults. Third one is polymer. Polymer material is having high tensile strength as compared to porcelain. They are lighter in weight. The maintenance required for these type of insulator is very less because this material is hydrophobic, means they are less affected by various climate changes. The water is not absorbed to its surface, so they are not get contaminated by polluted atmosphere. One limitation is that they are costly. This material is costly, so the insulator is costlier than porcelain and glass, so their use is very limited. They are used only in highly contaminated areas. Then the second classification is on the basis of application. First one is pin type insulator. These are the most earliest designs. They are economic, simple and efficient method of conductor and bus bar support. They are preferably used up to the voltages of 33 kilovolt, because above these voltages these insulators become bulky, so they are preferably used up to 33 kV only. So this is a pin type insulator. Conductor pass through the top of the insulator and it is binded to the insulator with the help of a binding wire, which is of aluminium or copper. It depends on the type of material we are using for conductor. And the lower part of the insulator is attached to the cross arm with the help of this nut. Second is disc type insulator. As we know that the insulation required depends on the voltage. So with increase in voltage, with increase in system voltage, we require high insulation. So at higher voltages like 400 kV, it is not possible to use pin type insulator. So at higher voltages, above 33 kV you can say, the disc type insulators are preferred. So here porcelain discs are connected in series by metal links and they are hanged from the cross arms of the supporting structure, and the line conductor is attached to its lower end. So here the number of discs to be used depends on the working voltage. For example, for 11 kV, one disc is used. For 22 kV, two discs, and so on. So the advantages of disc type insulator is that in the event of failure of an insulator, for example, there is one insulator of the disc get failed. So instead of replacing whole string, we can replace that failed insulator. Moreover, if the demand is increased in future, means we have to increase the insulation, so one or more discs can be added to the existing string. Moreover, these insulators give more flexibility to the line and mechanical stresses are reduced in this arrangement. Disc type insulators can be arranged in two ways. One is the vertical arrangement and second one is horizontal arrangement. If they are arranged vertically, then it is known as suspension type insulator. If they are arranged horizontally, then it is strain type insulator. So here in the picture you can see suspension type arrangement. It is a vertical arrangement of the discs. They are attached to the cross arm. And this is the strain type arrangement. It is the horizontal arrangement of the disc insulators. This arrangement is used at dead ends or where there is a sharp curves. Then third one is the shackle or spool type insulator. These are used in distribution system, means at lower voltages. So its operating voltage is 1000 volts. They are universally used for low voltages. It's economical arrangement. They can be mounted horizontally or vertically. So it is a shackle type insulator. So conductor is fixed in this groove with the help of this binding wire. Again, it can be of aluminium or copper. Then third one is guy or stay insulators. They are used in guy cables. So here you can see it's the guy cable which supports the tower. Here it is the stay or guy insulator. It is at the height of 3 meters from the ground. So its main purpose is to isolate the lower part of the guy wire from the upper part to protect the humans or animals from any leakage current. It insulates the lower part of the guy cable for the safety of people and animals on the ground. It consists of a porcelain piece of pierced with two holes at right angles to each other. It provides at the height of about 3 meters from the ground level. Thank you.